That I have not vlogged in a minute. I've been so busy that honestly it probably would have made good. Oh my gosh, I don't want this coffee to spill on me. Ah! I have been so busy that it actually probably would have made good vlog stuff, but it's just too much. I just can't do all of it. But here we are, we're back again. I wanted to do a like healthy eating vlog, so kind of like what I eat as a college student on the go, like when I'm in a rush, on a budget, all of the above. First, this morning I had these little overnight oats that I found in Trader Joe's. Literally $2.99, like such a cheap, easy breakfast, and it's low-cal, it's gluten-free. But yeah, so I've never actually tried these before. So normally I would do a perfect bar for breakfast, like literally every single day. I have a perfect bar. Like, it's kind of crazy. Addicted to them. I just actually am, and I have it with my cold brew coffee, and it's amazing. But yeah, I made myself a really strong cold brew, and I guess that is part of like what I eat every day. I normally have 2 to 3 coffees a day. This is because after working in New York for the summer, I got addicted, I guess is the word, to cold brew, and this is not even a joke. Like, I actually have to have that many a day to have energy. Anyways, starting off with that overnight oats, I'm probably gonna eat it in class. I don't have time to like kick back and eat it in my car or anything, because that would be just a luxury, you know? Lunch is just kind of a shot in the dark. I might have some tomato soup because it is freezing today. Also, just as a closing statement, I have 30 miles left in my tank. I've got 20% left on my phone, and I will make it to class on time. But like, what? I am not prepared today. Also, I'm staring at a beautiful tree. Hey, so I had a little delicious egg thing for lunch. I will pop in a little photo, video, whatever I have. Now I actually have time. I got out of class a little bit early, so I'm gonna run to the gym. My hair looks crazy. It's like staticky right now. But yeah, I'm gonna run to the gym, and then I'll have time to make myself dinner later, which is nice. But yeah, just gonna do a quick little workout. Nothing crazy, but I just like need to, so. Okay, so I'm finally home. It's about 3 o'clock, I would say. Drinking some lemon water, and these are literally my favorite snack. I am overly obsessed with them. These Inner Pea from Trader Joe's. I buy like 4 bags at a time. Like, they're so good. They're $2, I'm pretty sure, and they're just so, they're like a chip, but it's like a pea. It's a pea. Basically, I'm gonna start making dinner now at 3 o'clock, which might seem weird, but I just have so much studying and homework to do that I just kind of wanna like have my chicken spinach salad already made. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like meal prep for later. I have my oven on 400, sometimes I do 375, but again, I'm kind of in a rush. And I'm also just gonna snack on some pineapple because I'm starving, and this, I got it yesterday and it's so good. Okay, so the chicken I'm making is super easy, super basic. It's just gonna be a little bit of garlic. I am obsessed with garlic. I put it on everything. So I'm gonna do some garlic, olive oil. I have a fresh lemon, so I'll probably put some lemon in there, and salt and pepper. Like, that's literally it. I add salt and pepper at the very end, actually. But yeah, lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper at the end. And then spinach, I'll probably just do olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I'm lactose intolerant, but actually I can have goat cheese and feta, which is amazing. So that's what my nutritionist said, so shout out to her. but I'm going to be having a little bit of goat cheese on my salad and maybe some avocado, whatever else I can like toss in there. So I have everything on a pan, and then I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over that. And technically you're not supposed to cook, like bake with olive oil. Normally I would use coconut oil, but I just ran out. So for today, I think it'll be fine. My minced garlic from Trader Joe's. So I'm just going to toss that. Once I'm done like putting this all in, I'll mix it up with my hands, which is like kind of gross, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna throw the lemon on there too. I'm gonna get on a generous bit of garlic. I know raw chicken looks so weird, but I gotta show it somehow. So honestly, like that's it. It's so simple. About 18 to 20 minutes, just checking on it as I need and cutting into it to make sure it's not pink. So I make this vegan spinach and artichoke pizza, and me and my boyfriend are gonna make it next week. So maybe I'll record it.